video on this one. There is a full video of all these cars on the channel, but this particular one we're just going to have a little look at this Triumph Stag. It's Triumph Stag convertible, been sat under this sheet which is half torn away for years. It's not in bad condition to be fair, but let's have a little look inside. Can't really show you a lot of this one, but let's have a look. Oh, as you can see, there's a little bit of damp in there, the headlining's hanging down, but if you do like Triumph Stags, you would part with this one. So ping us a comment or an email, and I'll put you in touch with him and let us know what you think in the comments of this one, guys.